Topic 12, Lesson 6, Improper and Mixed Numbers. Well, so far you've learned to write equivalent fractions. In this lesson, you'll learn how to change mixed numbers to improper fractions. Our standards are to understand a fraction, a over b, with a being greater than 1 as a sum of fractions, 1 over b, and decompose a fraction into a sum of fractions with the same denominator in more than one way, recording each decomposition by an equation, and justify decompositions, e.g. by using a visual fraction model. Mathematical practices, we're going to make sense of problems and persevere in solving them, reason abstractly and quantitatively, construct viable arguments and critique the reasoning of others, use appropriate tools strategically, and look for and make use of structure. Our focus is how are mixed numbers and improper fractions related? Let's take a look. Well, first of all, our vocabulary, mixed number. Let's find out what that is. That's a number that has a whole number part and a fraction part. So one of our examples is 1 and 1/2. The 1 is the whole number, the half is the fraction. Same thing with 3 and 1/3. The 3 is the whole number, the 1/3 is the fraction. So you have a mixed number, a whole number and a fraction. Improper fraction is a fraction in which the numerator is equal to or greater than the denominator. So for example, 12 over 3. So the numerator here is greater than the denominator. And then this one as well, 11 over 5. Again, the numerator is greater than the denominator. It's an improper fraction. Let's say Albert took 1 1/3 granola bars with him on a bicycle ride. How can you write 1 1/3 as a fraction? Or in other words, make it into an improper fraction. Well, we start off with 1 1/3. That's our number that we're working with, and we're going to use these bars here to help us figure it out. Well, since we know the fraction that we're using is in thirds, we're actually going to go ahead and divide our whole into thirds. So even though this whole thing here is one whole, now it's broken up into third, 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 so we have 3/3, and this one's also a third. So all we have to do is add up our thirds. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 thirds. Pretty easy. Another way of looking at it is we can actually go 3 times 1, which is 3, plus 1 more, right here, is 4 over 3. So we can actually even multiply it out. But an easier way is drawing it out like this. 4 thirds is an improper fraction. Alright, let's take an improper fraction and change it into a mixed number. So go ahead and pause the video and give it a try. Good luck. Alright, how'd you do? Let's take a look. Well, we know this is an improper fraction, 37 over 12, and what we can do is take these 3 wholes and go ahead and divide it out, or actually split it up into parts. So we'd have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And we can just go ahead and continue it to all of these. And what we're saying is we're dividing in all these into so that there's 12 parts in each one. So each of these is 1/12. So we can go ahead and go through them and count it up, find out how many 12ths we need to show 37. So we'd have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, and we're going to need one more. So it takes all of these, so we have one hole here, another hole here, another hole here. So this is going to be 3 hole plus this one right here, and 1 12. So we have 3 holes and a 12. How'd you do? Alright, well now try some on your own. Good luck.